Good morning everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our new little mini kit. So this is our cute little new stamp and colour mini, and it's called Floral Bunch, and it's very cute. So let me show you what's in the kit. So the first thing we have in the kit is this ridiculously cute little stamp. So it's got all this beautiful floral bunch to colour and this little sweet butterfly down the bottom. There is a cute little laser cut with some just great sentiments to use for card making on there. We've got the ideas and inspiration book, which is full of loads of beautiful ideas. We have got the mini cut apart sheet, and of course we've got all of the papers. So these are the 6 beautiful papers that we have in the kit, and then on the other side we've got the blue tones and some yellow there. Let me just quickly show you the add-ons. Of course you can add on the fussy cutting die if you wish to. We have got this really fun stencil this month instead of a die, so we've got an add-on stencil, and this one's called Linear Rays. And these are the sweet little sprinkles, so they are the delicate stars. Let's have a quick look at some of the beautiful cards the girls have made with this stamp and the stencil. So gorgeous. This was that beautiful frame die that came out a couple of months ago. Love how that's been used. Such great colouring. We just love this mini kit. It's something a little bit different, and we hope you like it. It is now available on our website or at all your local craft stores, so you can jump on and purchase this kit. Thanks guys, till next time. Bye.